Hi everyone, welcome back. We're going to show you how to strip out and work the low back muscles. Great for low back pain, low back stiffness after work, or if you're in spasm at all. And we're going to show you 3 moves. The 2 main groups we're going to work on. First one's called your lumbar paraspinal muscles. They're the muscles that run on each side of the spine, each side of the bones, and they run all the way up the back from the tailbone all the way up into the neck to the head. But we're going to focus on this section from the sacrum or the tailbone up to this midsection point, the bottom of the rib cage, where this curve changes from an outward curve to an inward curve. And you can use muscle cream or hand lotion if you don't have any muscle cream at home. You just need a little finger dab on there. So what we're going to do, get that slippery, and I'm going to use my thumbs, and we're going to work from the tailbone up again to that middle section. And we're going to do something called active release. So as I'm rubbing the muscles, Ryan's going to actively move his legs, okay? So this first one, I'm going to start up at the midpoint. This is where the muscle originates from, right up in here. And Ryan, go ahead and bend both knees up. As he comes up, I'm going to strip right down just to the tailbone right there. And as you lower your legs, Ryan, I'm going to push up to that middle section. The other way is he's going to do the same leg that the side I'm working on, so in this case the left, and he's going to raise his whole leg straight up. Raise up, and I'll come down, and as he lowers, I'll go up. You just do that like 5 to 7 times up and down the back, and that'll be enough. You don't have to spend an hour sitting there rubbing that. If your thumbs get tired, use the flat part of your elbow and just come up like that with it, up and down as he's moving, okay? Don't use the point though, that hurts. Second muscle group is called the Quadratus Lumborum, or QL. It runs at a 15-degree angle off the spine. So if they're laying on the bed, they're going to bring their same sided arm up next to them, and he's going to tilt. So he's going to bend his body like he's going to touch his knee. Bring your arm down. Now contract that muscle, and then go back up. As he goes down, like he's going to touch his knee, I'm going to strip right up to that middle insertion. And then as you go up, I'm going to come down to the pelvic rim there. Another good little stretch and muscle work for that QL. I'm going to grab his hip with my bottom hand and I'm going to twist him. So we're going to pull that way. You have to be on the opposite side of him for this. So as I pull, this upper hand is going to be on that top part of the muscle, and I'm going to twist. I'm going to push in and twist my hand up so the heel of my hand is going like up into his rib cage like that as I twist. Your spouse or your loved one will love you if you do that. That feels really, really good on it. All right, thank you. We'll see you next time.